In this video, we'll break down what NBBO is, how it's calculated, and the issues behind it. And NBBO stands for National Best Bid and Offer. It shows the highest price a bidder is willing to pay and the lowest price a seller will accept based on quotes for at least 100 shares or round lots. It's a key rule under Regulation NMS, and it helps brokers route orders to the best available prices. It matters because NBBO ensures investors receive fair pricing. NBBO only includes quotes that meet this size, so odd lots or quotes under 100 shares don't count. Let's walk through an example of how NBBO is calculated. We're looking at quotes from 3 exchanges: NYSE, NASDAQ, and BATS. Each one is offering a bid, what buyers are willing to pay, and an ask, what sellers want to receive. Now here's the catch: NBBO only includes round lot quotes. That means only bids and asks with 100 shares or more are considered. Looking at the bids, NYSE bids $100 for 100 shares, that counts. NASDAQ bids $100.05 for 200 shares, that also counts. And BATS bids $99.95 for 100 shares, again, valid. Now to the ask side. NASDAQ offers to sell at $100.25 for 100 shares. That's valid. But NYSE offers a better price, $100.20, and BATS offers $100.15. The problem, both are odd lots under 100 shares, so they're excluded from NBBO. So the final NBBO is $100.05 bid from NASDAQ and $100.25 ask from NASDAQ. Even though better prices existed, they were ignored because they didn't meet the round lot requirement. This means it may not always reflect the actual liquidity available in the market. Sometimes there's more liquidity than NBBO indicates, especially for large orders. NBBO shows the best price, not the best execution. A venue might quote a great price, but with almost no size. Brokers may route orders to get paid, not to get you the best fill. Now that we know how NBBO is calculated, let's look at some of its issues. In today's markets, odd lot quotes are everywhere and often provide better prices than round lot quotes. By ignoring them, NBBO may not reflect the best available prices. Here's the first issue: NBBO ignores odd lot quotes. Even if someone is offering a better price, if it's for fewer than 100 shares, it won't show up in the NBBO. Today, odd lots are more common than ever, especially with retail trading. That means the NBBO might not reflect the best real price in the market. Next is latency arbitrage. NBBO relies on SIP feeds. They're slower than the direct feeds that high-frequency traders use. This delay creates opportunities for faster traders to spot price changes and trade ahead of everyone else. As a result, retail investors relying on NBBO may always be one step behind. Third, NBBO only shows visible quotes, but a lot of trading happens in dark pools or with hidden orders. These don't appear in the public order book, and therefore, they're not included in NBBO. That means what you see might not represent the actual liquidity available. Fourth, quote flickering. With so many exchanges updating quotes every millisecond, prices can rapidly change, overlap, or even reverse. Sometimes the bid and ask cross or lock, creating confusing signals. The NBBO might show one thing, but the real-time market is already somewhere else. And finally, execution. NBBO shows the best available price, but not necessarily the best execution. That quote might only cover a small number of shares, so large orders won't fully fill at that price. Also, some brokers route orders to places that pay them, not necessarily where you'd get the best result. NBBO isn't the whole picture. By understanding its gaps, you can make smarter trading decisions. To summarize, NBBO is the official price benchmark, showing the highest bid and lowest ask, but it only includes round lot quotes and misses key parts of the market. To trade smarter, it's important to understand what NBBO leaves out, like odd lots, hidden liquidity, and faster data feeds.